I sent it to you.
In this video, I want to talk about a 64X banger that I called on this channel. Guys, this is just getting ridiculous. You just cannot make this stuff up. VaporNodes 0.10026. Okay, today's date is 1/20/22. Let's look at my YouTube channel. On December 22nd, 2021, right? Buy a node for only $2. VaporNodes VPN ring fork just launched 6% daily. ROI made 40% ROI in 2 hours. Guys, if you would have dropped $100 on these, right? You would have been earning interest every day. Plus, the price is now 64x'd since it's low. Okay? I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, I mean, I'm shocking myself sometimes because the amount of things I've called on this channel that have 10x'd, that have 64x'd. I'm going to show you the math. Don't worry. Calm down. Guys, there's people with 100,000 subs, and every day they're making videos about the 500x tokens that are going to 100x in the next week. And none of it's happening. Like, I'm trying to help you. Like, really. I take time to make these videos to try to help you, to show you how simple it is so you can change your life. I made a video. Look it. Do the math. If you would have invested $100 back then, right? Getting the interest that you get every day on these. Like, I should just do it right now. Like, seriously. I should literally just do it right now. I don't even remember what their site is. There it is right there. And this video, by the way, has the most views on YouTube. 14,500 views. Nobody even made videos about this. Come on. My goodness. I'm getting excited. Oh, they got a new site. Look at this. 1% ROI per day. Look at node price now, 20,000 VPNDs, which is like $1,000, I believe, right? Price 0.09423. Okay? So let's compare. Let's compare. Right? Watch this. Okay, 20,000 times 0.09423 equals $1,800 for a node now. $1,800 for a node. Let's look at my video. The day of their release, $2 for a node. Okay, $1,800 for a node now. Oh, no, I'm being serious. Like, this is value. This is not hype. I can't make this up. I can't go back and act like I made this video. I'm presenting opportunities that are changing lives. But the problem people are making is they're getting familiar with the information and they're getting overwhelmed with too many people they're watching, and they're missing time and time again bangers. I just gave another banger in my Patreon, and some people got in, and they're going to be very, very happy that they got in. And other people didn't get in, I'm sure. And then when we're all rejoicing that we 50x'd our money, they're going to be looking sad. And I'm like, look, like, I'm doing all I can to help you. Really, like, this is, like, look at this. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, this was on December 22, 2021. Let's do a case study. Can we do a case study? Okay, so say you invested $100, right? Most people have $100 to invest. If not, you can borrow it from a friend, right? Work out something creative. So when it was released here, the day of the video I made, I mean, we'll say it was right in the middle of this candle, right? So 0.01536, right? And then really, it went down. So by the time people were seeing this video, it was all this right here. All this opportunity. All of this opportunity, right? But just for fun's sake, watch this. Ready? We're at 0.10038 right now. Let's do some more math. Can we do some math? 0.10038. All right? Divided by, 0.10038. And guys, if you're not in my Patreon, like seriously, what are you doing? Who else is calling 64x bangers? Okay, it took a month. Wow. Like seriously, come on. You're receiving value, give value back. I said that in another video. I invest where I see value. I invest in courses, I invest in books, I invest in self-development, I invest in mentor, I invest in myself. You will reap what you sow. So look, 0.10038, right? Divided by the low was 0.00193. 0.00193 equals 52x. Okay? A few minutes ago, it was a 64x or whatever I said because I checked right before the video. So 50x, 60x, whatever, you get the point, right? Now, if we look at what if somebody got in here, right? So 0.00, ooh, wow. We'll go with 0.00120, right? 100 times 0.00120, I think it was, right? Equals, 100 divided by 0.00120 equals, you would have had 83,333 nodes, right? Times the current price, 0.10010, 0.10010 equals, whoa! Your $100 investment would have become $8,341. Wow. I hope I did that math right. If it's not perfect or exact, it's somewhere around there, right? That's like an 80x. So I don't know, but it's a lot, okay? It's a lot, okay? 8341. I'm not going to do it again because I don't want to keep doing it. You get the point, right? But not only that, say 8341, right? Times 0.01%. And maybe that is high because we just said it was like a 50x, right? So let's just take a 50x, okay? A 50x from here. Maybe I did math wrong. I'm not trying to exaggerate anything, right? So we'll say from right about here, 0.00120, right? 0.00120. Maybe these numbers are just very hard to believe that this is this serious. Okay, so $100 divided by 0.00120 equals, no, it's this many tokens. I was absolutely right, times 0.1003. Okay, so it was right, guys. It's $8,358 off of a $100 investment divided by 100. So I guess my math was off the first time. 83x. So it's somewhere in there. Maybe my numbers got wrong. You get the point. We'll just go with the 83x just for the fun of it, right? Times 100, right? Equals times 0.01% a day equals $83 a day passive income. However, if you're in my Patreon, you know how I do my little creative strategies. You know what I mean? So would I rather make 83 a day or would I rather make $8,000 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days? Guys, seriously. Like, get into Patreon. Get in there. Like, you're getting this value. There's no reason that you're not getting bangers. I don't know what else to say. I really don't know what else to say. This is shocking. Okay? I'm having fun, but no, I'm serious though. Like, I'm making these videos all the time. All you see on my videos is charts like this. And you don't see anybody else doing videos on them unless they're doing them after I do them. So what happens? What would this do for your life? What's the risk of putting $100 on something? Guys, do you realize this right here, $100 would have become $8,000, and people are looking out. They're so caught up in the hype. They're so caught up in the vision of I'm gonna moon, I'm gonna be rich, Lambos and houses and cars and travel and blah 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 blah. They're not learning the skills. They're not learning the mindset. They're not learning the mentality. They're not working. They're not grinding. They're not hustling. They're not investing in their craft. and they're following people that are just pumping the same content that everybody else is pumping. You can tell that I'm passionate, okay? I'm telling you right now, I feel it like a fire in my soul. Right now, things are going to the next level, and I speak that over your life. If you've been struggling, if you've been broke, if you've lost money, if you need breakthrough in finances, it is going to happen. I'm going to decree and declare that over your life. And if I decree and declare a thing, it shall be established. So anyways, get me fired up over here preaching. All right, let me calm down. I get excited over this because I know I'm going to see some comments on my video. Thank you so much. I invested in this, and now I 50x my money. And there's no greater reward than that. So, I create the Patreon so people can show love, show support, and then get inside information. And I just started like a week ago. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing in a month from now. So, like, get in while you can. Like, I'm not, I'm just really trying to help people. But people, man, it's crazy. Like, people don't understand. You have to give to receive. On this one call, you would have made $8,000 if you got it at the very bottom, which I tell people this is where I look to invest at. When everybody else sells, I'm looking to get in. When everybody else is buying, I'm looking to sell. Let me say it again. When everybody else sells, I'm looking to get in. When everybody else is buying, I do the opposite of what everybody else is doing, okay? Anyways, my goodness. The proof is in the pudding right here. If you want to find bangers like this, I'm not saying 100% of them are going to moon and they're going to 50x or 83x like this one. All I'm saying is this one 83x. And I'm not calling 100 different things. If you notice on my videos, I share opportunities, I share projects, I give my opinion, and I personally invest myself. And I'll show you on screen me investing. Come on. If you're not in the Patreon, join. Get in there. Okay, I'm just getting started releasing content. We just got in on a pre-sale, and I'm telling you right now, it's going to 40x within a week. I'm telling you right now. And I'm going to make a video when it does, just like this one, saying, grabbing people and shaking them, wake up, I'm trying to help you. I don't need your $20 in my Patreon. I'm trying to help you. I do this on YouTube as well to just try to help people, but I want to provide more value. And I want to teach people that in order to get more value, you have to give something sometimes. So shout out to my patrons. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are awesome. If this ain't worth a $20 investment or whatever, I'm sorry. Crypto's not for you. Investing's not for you. Get a job, work a job, make $8 an hour. And I'm not trying to be mean to nobody. Like, really, I respect people. I don't care if you make $8 an hour, $8 a week. I respect people that work. I respect people that hustle. But, like, I believe God has something greater for your life. I believe you live in the greatest generation ever, and we have the internet. We have cryptocurrency. This is the greatest transfer of wealth that will ever happen in human history. And I'm just doing my part, walking in my divine calling, trying to help other people along the way. If you want to be a part of that, awesome. If not, cool. You got a bunch of people that'll tell you a bunch of misinformation and get views and grow their following, and they get richer off of you. So anyways, the links are in the description. Going to be updating on the inside with more calls like this. This is what I do. This is what we do. We call bangers. We call bangers. Okay? Don't want this to be too long. God bless you. Like the video. Comment on the video. If you get value out of it, share the video. All right? Subscribe to the channel. Join the Patreon. Do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor. Okay? What if I could help you make one call like this every 30 days? Just one call in a month like this, and you 80x'd your investment. It would probably change your entire life, okay? And I'm not sure what we're going to do in the near future. Look, I'm just trying to help people, to be honest, but I know as we continue to grow and we continue to call these ridiculous bangers, I'm going to have to figure something out, that makes sense, because this is value, man. Like, I'm really I don't know what else to do. Anyways, love you guys. God bless. In the description is the comments. Join the Patreon. See you on the inside. Until the next video. 80x banger.